Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Today, yes, anything else?
I told good
Start
morning.
with the discussion of the homework which I have given. Then we'll pass on to the new chapter. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Okay. So let us start. I think first one I have given is only that one word problem is given. No,
Ma'am, some voice is coming.
no voice. I don't find any disturbance here.
Now okay. Now
Okay.
okay, ma'am. It is
Okay,
there.
okay. So tell me the volume, the body floats 2 by 9 of its volume above the surface. Did you get the question? Did you understand the question what it is?
Yes, ma'am.
2 by
Yes,
9 of its volume means take the full volume as 1. 1. Okay. So 2 by 9 of its volume is above the water surface. Then what is the ratio of the body submerged volume to its exposed volume? So let us see what it is. We can take the see the homework was this. The body floats 2 by 9 of the volume, 2 by 9 of the volume above the water surface, above the surface. And find ratio of submerged volume to exposed volume. Find the ratio of exposed volume to submerged volume to exposed volume. That is it. The ratio order should be correct. Okay. Ratio when you write the order should be correct. The ratio of submerged volume to exposed volume. That is the question. Find the ratio of submerged volume to exposed volume. There is a competitive exam coming. Okay. I'll give you the details in the group.
MCQ 3.
Did you get it? Max?
Yes, ma'am.
3 chapters. No, ma'am.
No, not that exam. Not MCQ exam.
That's
There
periodic.
is a competitive exam. I think it is international competition. So our children, those who are good in maths, should participate. All of you compulsory.
On me.
Okay. Those who are good in maths can join all of you. It is free of cost. It is free of cost. I'll give you the details later. Okay.
Ma'am, online?
Online it will be. So you have to practice with this type of questions. Some little more higher order questions. So that I think it is big for that. Okay. You have better understanding of the things means you will get it. It is good. So many of them in this class, I think they are good at maths. So you have to join. Okay, I'll give you the details. I'll send the details in the group. Okay. So this question, 2 by 9 of the volume is above the surface and find the ratio of submerged volume to exposed volume. So 2 by 9 of the volume means what is the remaining volume? Exposed volume is exposed
10 by 9.
exposed volume is equal to 2 by 9 of the total volume. That is the meaning. Okay. So let total volume
And screen share is not
equal to
disabled.
1. Okay. So what is submerged volume? Submerged volume.
The balance.
Volume is equal to 1 minus 2 by 9. What is it? 1 by 1 minus 2 by 9, 1 by 1.
1 by 1 minus 2 by
So
9.
what is the LCM? 9. Isn't it? So when you do like that, it will become 9 minus
9
2
by
by
9 minus 2
9.
by
2
9.
by
That is
9.
7 by 9.
9.
by 9.
Okay. Now we have to find the ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of submerged
Exposed
volume
volume and
to
submerged.
submerged volume to the
Exposed volume.
exposed
Exposed.
volume. Okay. So submerged volume to ratio of submerged volume to
Exposed.
exposed volume. That is equal to what is submerged volume? 7 by 9. Isn't it?
7 by 9.
Ratio,
Yes,
do you
7
know
by
how
9.
to write ratio? 2:4. Ratio
to
is
4.
2 by 4. Isn't it? Huh?
Yes.
First one is the numerator. Second one is the denominator. Isn't it? You know that
Denominator.
last year you have studied ratios. Isn't it?
Yes.
Ratio, how will you write?
7
A
raised to
is
2.
to B. Means
7 is to 2.
A is the numerator, B is the
A by
denominator.
B.
Okay, A by B. So same way, now expose, this is a fraction. Exposed volume. The ratio of the submerged
7 is to
volume
9.
to exposed volume is 7 by
7
9
is
is to, what is the other one?
9.
2 by 9.
2 by
2
9.
by
2 by
9.
9. So how you will write it? We have to write it like this. It is 7 by 9 divided by 2 by 9. Right. It is 7 by 9 divided by 2 by 9 actually. 7 by 9 divided by 2 by 9. Okay. So what is this? 7 by 9 into
7 by
9
9.
by 2. Isn't it?
9 by 2.
Okay.
Yes.
Huh?
63 by 80.
Yes.
7 by 2.
Ratio of
And
what is 7 by? Ratio of body submerged volume to exposed volume. So what is submerged volume, children?
7 by
Submerged volume is
the volume which is under the water.
7 by 9, isn't it?
7 by 9.
Okay. Volume of submerged volume is 7 by 9. Ratio is asked the submerged volume to exposed volume. So submerged volume is 7 by 9. Ratio of body submerged volume to exposed volume. So what is it? Submerged volume is 7 by 9. That divided by exposed volume is 2 by 9. So what will you get? 7 by 9 into this one. Okay. Cut off. What is it?
7 by 2.
By 2. Isn't it? So what did you get as answer?
7 is to 2.
7 is to
2. 2.
7 is to 2.
7 raised to
That
2.
is how you write it as the ratio. Okay. That is how you write it as the ratio.
Ratio.
So the rational form will be 7 by 2, isn't it?
Rational form.
Yes.
Rational form. Ratio form, no? It is asked to rewrite it as a rational number. So it is 2 by 7. Sorry, 7 by 2. Rational number.
Ma'am, next is find the reciprocal.
Next one,
Ma'am,
reciprocal.
so like this, whenever it become, we will write the one submerged volume is equal to 1.
Yeah. Full volume. Anything comes
No,
like this.
full.
2 by 9 means 2 by 9 of the full volume. Okay.
Okay. ma'am.
So you take full volume as 1. Full thing is considered as 1 always. Next one was, I think, reciprocal. Finding
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal of the following.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes. Question?
screen share is not disabled.
Yes. Screen
Screen
share.
share.
Okay. Now it is okay, no?
Yes.
Yes.
If I disable chat, you will not be able to chat with me, right?
Yes.
No, you can chat now. with me.
Yes, now we can.
No problem. Okay.
No, ma'am, you disabled
You disabled
What?
chat.
chat.
Now I can, no
We
need.
cannot chat with you also.
Okay. With nobody, no?
No, with no one.
That's better. You don't chat. You answer my question.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so children, now let us do the next one. This
1 by 2 into 1 by 4
reciprocal,
plus
isn't it?
1 by 2.
Reciprocal. Can anybody say the first one's answer?
8 by
8 by
25.
25.
So it was question was 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, isn't it? This was the first question which I have
Yes.
given. Plus 1 by 2 into 6. Okay.
Yes.
So what did you get? 1 by 2 into this is simply multiplication 1 by 8. Plus
Yes.
this is
Then we will get
6 by 2 is
6 by
6 by 2.
6
by
by
2.
2.
6 by 2. Okay. That is 6 by 2. Okay. Let us 6 by 2. 6 by 2 or 3 by 1 you can take. Okay.
3
6
by
by
1.
2 you take.
3
6 by
by
2.
1.
Okay. Let it be. Then no confusion. So what is the LCM here? 8, no?
8
8
Yes,
can be the
8.
LCM.
So we have to
LCM
change
8.
into LCM.
into 4.
Into
24 by 8.
24 by
So
8.
8 is LCM. So just do it. 8 is the LCM. So
So we
1
will
by
get
8
25
plus
by 8.
2 into 4.
24 by 8.
4 by 8.
8.
So answer is
25 by 8.
25 by 8.
it is
It will be 8
25
by
by 8.
25.
So
8 by
question is
20.
to find the reciprocal.
8 by
8 by
25.
25.
Will be
25.
that's all. Okay. Reciprocal will be 8 by 25. Okay. Reciprocal is 8 by
8 by 25.
25. Next one. Another one was 20 by 51 into, it was 20 by 51 into 4 by 91. What is the answer you got?
4641 divided by 8.
Simply
1006.
multiply 80 by, it is given 4641. Did you get this number? When you multiply
Yes.
Yes.
4641. So then find its reciprocal.
4641 divided by 8.
741 by 80.
4641 divided by 80.
By
80.
80.
Okay, that's all. Then next one is
We need to convert into reciprocal.
that
That's
is
the
what
Only
question.
just do it
converted,
into
no?
Yes.
It's reciprocal. Just put it upside down. That's all.
Last time.
Next one. It is 3 by 13 divided by 3 by 13 divided by negative 4 by negative 4 by
65.
65. Okay.
Negative 52 by
3 by 13
195.
into
So
65
3
by
by
negative 4.
13 into 65 by
65 by
64 by
negative 4.
negative 4.
Okay, so what will you get? 13 and 65 you can cancel. 13 into 5, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you will get 15 by negative 4. So what is the reciprocal? Negative 4 by
Negative 4 by 50.
answer. Negative 4 by 3. Okay, children. Next question.
Ma'am, wait, don't.
Okay.
Next question is for negative 5 by 12 by 50.
Wait, let him finish. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the, okay, we'll do the next one. Yeah. Next question. Next question is given negative 5 into 12 by 15. Isn't it? 12 by 15 minus 3 into 2 by 9. Okay. Negative 5 into 12 by 15 minus negative 3 into 2 by 9. So what is the answer you get?
3 by negative 10.
Okay. So you can cancel inside. Inside itself, you can cancel and cut short. 5 3s are 15, isn't it? Again,
Yes.
when you 3 4s are 12. So you will get negative 4 inside this itself. No, not compulsory to do it like this. 3 into 2, 6 by 9. Again, you can do this 3. 3s are 9. So what you will get? Negative 2 by
2
3.
by 3.
2 by
Negative
3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Be careful about the signs. Okay.
So we have to convert into
So negative
plus
4, is it divided by or minus? Minus.
minus
Okay.
negative
So
4
negative into negative is
plus
plus 2 by
3.
3. So we have negative 4 by 1 plus 2 by 3. Take it like that. Then no confusion, isn't it? So you will get LCM 3.
3.
3. Make 3 the LCM. So 4 into 3,
Negative.
12. Negative 12 by
Negative 12 by
plus
3.
2 by
Plus
3.
2 by
Plus 2 by 3.
So what you will
Negative
get?
10 by
Negative 10 by
3.
3.
By
Negative 10
3.
by 3.
Reciprocal
So
3 by
Reciprocal to 3 by
negative
Is equal
negative
to
10.
3 by
3 by
negative
10,
10.
isn't it? Reciprocal will be negative 3 by 10. So
3 by
3 by negative 2. If you want in standard form, you can write it as negative 3 by 10. Okay. So reciprocal is negative 3 by 10. We write it in the standard form. Always take it to the numerator. Negative 3 by 10. Here. Finished? Write it.
Yes, finished.
Now that chapter is over. Some more examples I can give from other chapter, but that is only that you have to learn what is rational number and its operation. That's all this year. So next we pass on to the next chapter because I have to complete 5 chapters before the Christmas holidays. Okay. So we'll try to finish
Only 3
at least
chapters for
half
exam,
of the chapter. Exam portions I have given. Did you get it?
Yes, implications,
Yes.
congruence,
I
and
have explained it in
Triangles and
class.
algebraic
That's why I
equations.
gave the chapter number only. That is your simple
symbol
equations.
equations,
simple
congruence,
equations,
congruence of
Algebraic
triangles,
equations.
algebraic
and
expressions.
Algebraic expressions. Okay. These are the chapters for the test.
Then rational number is not there.
Rational numbers is
No.
not there. We just finished it. We couldn't do the revision. Remedial class, everything should complete now. So we'll take only the 3 chapters.
Tomorrow I read mail class for
Tomorrow remedial class, the evening it will be there for group 1. Okay. So next it is we start with a new chapter, exponents and powers. It is chapter number 13. Okay. Chapter 13. Chapter 13. 13. Exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Chapter 13. Exponents and powers. Listen, children. So we have this exponents we use to represent large numbers. That is very large numbers. Okay. For example, the distance between, yes, hello. Usually we use this exponents. You know what it is, no? Exponents means what?
Square. Cube.
Square, cube. Anything raised to the power of. I'll explain. Okay, wait, before that we will learn what is the use of learning this exponential numbers. Okay, this exponent. We study what is exponents. What is the use of exponents? What is the use of studying exponents? Usually, these exponents are powers. Exponents are used to represent very large numbers. very large numbers, like, for example, mass of Earth. Mass of Earth. It is given as 5970 000, then 6 more sets like this, 1 2 3 1 2 3
Large
3.
numbers.
Large numbers, 1 2 3 4 2 3 5 1, 2 3. Okay, so how many sets? 1 2 3 4 5 6, one more. So this is the number, kg, kilogram. Okay, this much kg. So it is very difficult to read the number, express the number, and compare this type of numbers. For another example, distance between Saturn, the planets. Distance between
Venus
Saturn,
Uranus.
Saturn and
5,000
Sun,
trillion.
Sun and Saturn.
Sun.
Okay, distance between Sun and Saturn is given as 1
5 0
4 3 3 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 meter. Okay, so this much big numbers, and again, you know, the speed of light. Speed of light, it is.
Yes.
How much you have studied speed of light in air? Okay, medium, it differs according to the medium, but speed of light in air, it is given. Speed of light in air, it is given as 10 raised to 8. That means 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 meters per second. Okay, that is the speed of light.
Like
You can find out big numbers. When you search the net, you will be able to find out the bigger numbers, but they all will be expressed in the exponential form. For example, the light, it is given like this. For example, the speed of light, usually it is represented like this. Okay, I'll tell you, not like this what I have written. It will be usually represented in this form, that is exponential form. It will be written like this always. What is it? 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It will be always represented like this. That means it is in the exponential form. So we use this exponents to represent very large numbers. Okay, very large numbers. Now let us see what are exponents. You know all these things, but still you have to study a little more about it. That's why. Okay, so okay, now listen, exponents. We are going to study about exponents. Recording is going on, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exponents. Suppose I'm writing this one, 10,000. We will write it as 10, okay, raised to, how many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times.
10 raised to
What is
4.
it actually? It is 10 into
10 into 10 into 10.
10. 4 times 10 is multiplied. What is it? 4 times 10 is multiplied. That is known as 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to 4. We read it as 10 raised to 4. Okay. So this, in this, when I write 10 raised to 4, in this 10 is known as 10 is known as the base. 10 is known as the base. Okay. And this 4 is known as the exponent.
exponent.
Exponent or power. You can write exponent or power. 10 is the base and 4 raised to what? That is known as the exponent.
Exponent.
So we read it as, we read like this, 10 raised to the power of, raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 4, or we read it as 4th power of 10. We read it as 4th power of 10. Okay, what do we read? 10 raised to the
10
power of
raised
4,
to power of 4
or 4th power of 10.
10.
4th power of 10, bottom base, known as the base, and raised to what? That is known as the exponent. Exponent.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have to go to one place, so can I leave?
Yes.
I
can't
is
hear
going
you.
to travel, so can he leave?
Huh?
No.
Amal is going to somewhere, so can he leave?
I didn't get you. Louder, can you
Ma'am,
please?
he's saying that we want to go somewhere, so can he leave? Amal.
Amal, where
Yeah,
you want
ma'am.
to go?
Ma'am, for Christians, one style 11 is there. That is in 11:30.
11:30. Now 10 more minutes only. Anyway, you can leave because I'll be explaining what is exponents. Okay. You understood what is exponents?
Yes.
You can leave at 5 minutes to 5 more minutes. After that, I'll take attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can go. I'll mark the attendance. Okay, Amal.
Okay, ma'am.
5 minutes. So raised to the power of 10. Now we can see next one. So this 10 raised to 4 is the 10 raised to 4 is the exponential form of
10,000.
form of 10,000. Okay, is the exponential form of 10,000. So what will be 10 cube?
10?
3 is the
10
exponential
into
form.
10 into 10.
10 into 10 into
10
10.
multiplied
10.
3 times. So 1,000.
Thousands.
10.
Okay.
10,000.
So what will be a square?
A into
A
A.
into
A
A.
into A.
Now what will be 5 cube?
2A.
5 cube.
5 cube.
5 into 5 into 5.
5.
What is that?
125.
125.
125. Isn't it?
Yes.
125. Six raised to 6. What is it? Find out.
6 into 6 into
6
6.
into
Yeah,
6
we
into
can write
6.
it in the 6
Six
into 6
times
into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Okay,
6
leave
times.
it. A square b raised to 4. A into A into B into
B into B into B into B.
That is
Yes.
A square b raised to 4. Okay, now one more small thing I will explain, then we can take attendance. Okay, that is next period we'll do that for questions. Suppose one question. Before that, some questions are there that we will do next period. This one you listen. The question: express 256 as a power of 2.
So
Okay.
256.
As the power of 2. Express 256 as a power of 2. Okay. So let us see how it is. Simply
Square root
find
of 256.
So
Ma'am,
simply
express 256 as
a power
A power of 2. 2.
Okay, express
Square root of
256 as a power of 2. So 256 we will take and do prime factorization. You know, remember what is prime factorization?
Yes.
So just start with 2 itself. It is asked to simply it is asked to find it as a power of 2. So 2 is a prime number, you can start with 2. 2, ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, balance 1. 2 eights are 16. 2 6 are 12. Yes.
4, sir.
2 fours are 8. Again 2, 2,
3, sir.
3s are 6, 2 twos are 4. Again with 2, ones are 2, 6 are
16.
12. Then 16, when you simplify 2, 8s are 16. 2 fours are 8.
4,
2 twos are 4.
2.
2 ones are 2. Till you get 1, you do this prime factorization. So let us write how many 2s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 256 can be written as 2 raised to 8.
2 raised to 8.
This is the way you are expressing a number as the power of some other number. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next period we will do this type of problems.
We can also
Ma'am, can I go?
raised to 2.
Yes, yes. Okay. So children, did you understand? So we'll take attendance. Then next period we will continue. Okay. Okay. So next period we can continue with. Now let me take the attendance. After that, you can see next period.
Ma'am, recording is not paused.